How to connect custom domain on Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So if ever you want to now utilize the website that you have created in Framer and have your own custom domain, you could easily do it by simply going to your settings. Over here, look over here on the top right. This is the settings button. Simply select that and you will be able to see settings in relation to your website. After that, look over here now on the left side where you could see site settings. There are options such as domains. Simply select domains. And over here, right now, this is the base domain or the current domain that we are currently utilizing. Scrolling down, over here, we have the custom domain option. Simply select connect your own domain and you can simply input the domain that you have. But of course, to do this, you would need to upgrade your plan to a subscription to be able to utilize the connecting of a custom domain. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.